So you think you've mastered the art of scoring in NBA 2K26. B. Sinking threes from the logo and dunking over defenders with ease. That's a good start. But the true legends of the virtual hardwood understand that winning championships requires more than just a high-scoring offense. It's about the hustle plays, the smart decisions, and the relentless effort that don't always show up on the highlight reel but are absolutely critical to securing the win. To truly dominate, you need to elevate every single aspect of your game. Are you ready to move beyond the box score and become a complete player? It's time to focus on what happens after the shot goes up. Winning the battle on the boards is a game, and it all starts with mastering the box out. Instead of just jumping for the ball, learn to anticipate the trajectory of the shot. Get into position early. Hold down the box out button to seal off your opponent, and create a clear path to secure that crucial rebound. Whether it's grabbing an offensive board for a second chance opportunity or ending a defensive possession to stop the other team's momentum. Controlling the glass gives you control of the game's pace and flow. Now, let's talk about elevating your team's play. Being a scoring machine is one thing, but being a floor general who makes everyone around them better is what separates the good from the great. Develop your court vision by taking a moment to scan the floor before you make a move.
This thing is trash!
Watch how the defense reacts. Look for cutters heading to the basket and identify the teammate left open on the perimeter. A quick, precise pass can turn a contested shot into a wide-open look, boosting your team's efficiency and morale. Mastering the art of the assist means you're not just playing your position. You're orchestrating the entire offense. Finally, remember that a great offense can win you games, but a lockdown defense wins you championships. It's about more than just staying in front of your man. It's about becoming a disruptive force that creates chaos for the opposing team. Use the right stick to actively contest shots and get your hands in the passing lanes. Time your movements perfectly to go for that dramatic game-saving block or that swift steal that leads to an easy fast break score. A single defensive stop at a critical moment can completely shift the momentum and demoralize your opponent, proving that a tenacious defense is your ultimate weapon.